It was towards the culmination, the final phase of Ocampo's artistry, that Genesis, the modello of the CCP curtain, was created. A key work that helped make him national artist in 1991. His work as a progression from literal description to simile to metaphor. His ideas became words that then became paint, oil on canvas. A self-taught, though prize-winning artist, Ocampo worked in an advertising agency. He was a multi-talented man. He was fictionist, playwright, editor. He painted at night and also in his spare time. Genesis means the origin or coming into being of something. Ocampo transformed the word into an image. A bonfire, not one for roasting marshmallows, but a blaze determined to spread light and defeat darkness. At the center are three curved forms in yellow and red, surrounded by figures in darkening forms. The large central forms have sharp points and edges, three-dimensional spear points that became smaller, less defined as they penetrate the dark. The curved forms suggest spreading flames as much as fingers and sights. They are fire that blaze and spread, fingers of
Shapes. Various geometrical forms such as the triangle, quadrilateral, and pentagons, as well as other shapes of a similar type, are used in the Genesis. Geometrical shapes are contours that have mathematically regular outlines. As a consequence of the mathematical forms that have been used to envelope the characters, the artwork has an astonishing and breathtaking impact. Furthermore, symmetrical and asymmetrical shapes are also used. Asymmetrical indicates that both sides of anything are the same, while symmetrical denotes the opposite, that the two sides are distinct in some manner from one another. Things that are asymmetrical are uneven and crooked, and they do not fold properly in half when folded in half. These sorts of forms are merged and pasted together to provide an artistic effect that contributes to the abstract artwork's overall appeal. Colors. The main use of red, yellow, and orange are easily distinguished. The red color is utilized to amplify an emotion that should seem like a blazing fire. Meanwhile, a glimpse of yellow color is used, which add to the very strong yet positive canvas. Warm colors are the use of the sun, warmth, and fire are represented by a group of colors on the color wheel. These colors are referred to be warm colors because they cause individuals to experience warm emotions when they see them. Colors like as yellow, crimson, and orange are examples of those that are employed in Genesis. A great picture is wonderful because it is based on the principles of art, which allows us to put some type of objective rationale behind why it is so excellent. Balance. Known for his abstract paintings, Hernando Ocampo makes extensive use of forms in his work, which achieves spectacular results. Throughout the Genesis, there is a sense of symmetry and harmony. Objects are reflected or duplicated on each side of the mirror when they are mirrored. On the painting, we can see how the forms have engulfed the whole piece. Since a result of the repeating things that can be seen on the canvas, it also produced a subject of difficulty as one would conclude that this is too simple to paint. However, with a true comprehension and concentration on Genesis, one would realize that it is never too simple to paint it. Emphasis. The first thing that catches the viewer's attention is the horn-like object that has been positioned in the middle. The focus is drawn to the yellow hue, which is followed by the identical form.
Enter Abelardo Hall and you're greeted by a blaze of red, a giant tapestry. Spreading fire suggests a triumph over resistance to a cultural and hope for a renaissance in Philippine culture and the arts.